Hey guys, this is Nick from Nexus Property Management Worcester. Just coming today to show you this new property that we have for rent right now. This is 102 Mendon Street, Unit 1A in Blackstone, Mass. And this is a 1-bedroom, 1-bathroom on the first floor. And I just want to start off by showing you what it looks like when you come in through here. So here's the big window to let light in the apartment, comes in from the street. This is the entrance that comes right around from the parking lot, which is out back, which can accommodate the parking for the building. And this is the inside of the apartment. So this is mainly the kitchen / dining room space over here, and then living room over there, but it can obviously be extended however you want. It's a nice open space, can easily fit a couple sectional couches in here, plus the entertainment system with the TV. But I'm gonna start out with the kitchen. So you got the nice fixtures all set up in here, plenty of counter space. And the nice appliances. So you got the fridge plus the 4-burner gas stove and the sink with the range hood and fan. Take a look here. You can see the radiators, which kind of go through the apartment as a main heating system. But yeah, this is the angle from here. So I'm just gonna walk around, go through a couple different corners just so you can get a good idea of the size and everything. This is the living room right here. And this is it if you back up over here. So that's the front part of the apartment, and then the living room goes through to the bedroom, which goes through to the bathroom, attached to the bedroom. There's a fireplace in here. It can't really be used for burning, but it is good to, you can have a TV up there if you choose, or just have it as just an extra fixture in here. But this is the living room over here. We're gonna take a look at the bedroom now. Bedroom's bigger than the actual living room, so it's very nice setup for a 1-bedroom apartment. And this is it. It kind of spans the whole length of the side of the building. So closet over here. Got the baseboard heaters over here. And yeah, so nice big bedroom. It's kind of like a master suite because it does have the double closet and the bathroom attached. So here's the closet, shelves over there, plus mirror. And then here's the bathroom. So you get the vanity. It's not a vanity, it's just the medicine cabinet, but it does have that attached, plus the sink, then the shower. Nice vinyl flooring. Yeah, so that's the bathroom, bedroom, living room, kitchen, dining room. And then here's a closet that's actually attached to living room right there. So closet. And yeah, that was 102 Mendon Street, Unit 1A. And if you want to check this out, you can go to www.nexuswor.com. That's going to have the full list of our vacancies there, and you can find this one if it's still available. Reach out to set up an appointment today. And again, this is Nick from Nexus Property Management, Worcester.